Jai Shri Ram. Good morning everyone. This is Dipankar Tiwari and I would like to thank everyone for watching my videos. Today I am in Chitrakoot. Chitrakoot is very famous Hindu pilgrimage because Lord Ram, when he went to the Vanavas for 14 years, he spent almost 11 years at this place. So it has got some cultural, religious and the historical values. There are many temples to visit here. So Chitrakoot is situated on the borders of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. As you can see behind me, this is river Mandakini and the other side is Uttar Pradesh and this side it's Madhya Pradesh. So this is called Ram Ghat. Ram Ghat is very popular because Lord Ram did the last ritual of his father at this place. Like last ritual of Maharaj Dashrath, he did at this place. And when he did that last rituals, almost everybody, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, all the gods and goddesses were present at this place. So this is the historical and the religious value of this place, Ram Ghat.
Chitrakoot is situated in Uttar Pradesh state of India. It has got a railway station which has got good connectivity throughout India. For domestic airport you can choose Prayagraj and for international airport you can choose Delhi. Distance between Prayagraj and Chitrakoot is around 120 kilometers. The popular places to visit in Chitrakoot are Ramghat, Kamatgiri Parvat, Hanuman Dhara, Gupta Godavari, Spatik Shila, Sati Ansuya Ashram and Pramod Van. Whenever you are coming to Chitrakoot, find a stay in Ramghat area, as Ramghat is the center of city Chitrakoot. You will find many hotels, dharamshalas, lodges and ashrams to stay, starting from international rupees 500 for a non-AC room and 800 for a AC room. Chitrakoot is the place where Saint Tulsidas met Lord Hanuman, and then Lord Hanuman helped Tulsidas to see Lord Ram. When Tulsidas asked Lord Hanuman that he wants to see Lord Ram, Lord Hanuman said that he is coming tomorrow to the Ram Ghat. Tulsidas waited desperately entire night. For the next day morning, he got ready for the puja and he was preparing sandal paste or chandan to apply to the Lord Ram. Suddenly, a little boy appeared in front of him. Lord Hanuman, who was also sitting on the ghat in the form of the parrot, thought that Tulsidas might not recognize him. So he sang Doha. चित्रकूट के घाट पर भाई संतन की भीड़, तुलसीदास चंदन घिसे तिलक देत रघुबीर. As Lord Hanuman chanted the Doha, Tulsidas immediately understood that the child before him was none other than Lord Ram. He kept staring at him with all the love and devotion in his eyes, and Lord Ram was applying tilak to Tulsidas. So after visiting Ramghat in the morning, we headed towards Kamatgiri Parvat. Lord Ram spent his 11 years of Vanavas in the forest of Kamatgiri mountain. When Lord Ram was leaving this place, the Chitrakoot mountain asked him that now you are going from here, no one gonna come to this place again. At that time Lord Ram said that you are Kamatgiri. In Hindi it means Kamna Purti Parvat. It means whoever come here will get his wishes fulfilled. So people will still keep coming to Chitrakoot Kamatgiri Parvat. It is 5 kilometer walk. You need to do it on foot. It may take 1.5 hour or 2 hour depending on your speed. Some people are doing this parikrama barefoot, but it is not mandatory. While doing parikrama, you will find many shops where you can eat and get energized. There are many temples on the way. And take care of the monkeys as they can snatch your food.
सीताराम जय सीताराम सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम
When someone's wishes got fulfilled, they do parikrama like this also. While doing parikrama, you'll find a small photo gallery which shows the pictures of the places where Lord Ram passed while doing his vanavas or exile time of 14 years. One of the very important temple on Kamatgiri Parikrama is Ram Bharat Milap temple. At the time of exile or vanavas, when Lord Ram and Bharat met, there was too much heat and even the stones of the mountain got melted. You can see the footprints of Lord Ram and Bharat at the stones of this place. While doing parikrama, you'll find these birds showing up some fortune cards. You can try this by paying rupees 20 just to have fun. After completing the parikrama of Kamatgiri Parbat, we are coming back to Ramghat as there is a aarti take place in the evening at around 7 o'clock. As you can see, the ghat is getting decorated for the aarti.
सीताराम जय सीताराम सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम
Next day, we headed towards Hanumandhara. After burning Lanka, Lord Hanuman's body temperature was too high. To cool him down, Lord Ram shot an arrow to this mountain, and there was a stream of water which helped Hanuman to cool down. There are around 450 stairs. You can go up in around 15-20 minutes, and there is a ropeway also to go up the hill.
शरण शरण दया के धाम असरण शरण दया के धाम निर्बल के बल सीताराम
After visiting Hanumandhara, you take 15-20 steps more and go to the top of the mountain where you will find Sita Rasoi, where Mata Sita used to cook at the time of Vanavas. After Hanumandhara, we headed towards Ansuya Ashram, and on the way you will find thousands of monkeys. Ansuya Ashram is ancient, but as you can see in the pictures, this temple looks so beautiful and newly constructed. Inside also it's very beautiful, but taking camera is not allowed inside.
सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम जय सीताराम सीताराम जय
Ansuya Ashram is the origin of river Mandakini. So after Mata Ansuya Ashram, we headed towards Gupta Godavari, and this was the place where Lord Ram and Mata Sita used to take bath, and cameras are not allowed inside.
सीताराम जय
Thank you everyone. I hope that you enjoy the video. So when you have got time, you must visit Chitrakoot once in your life at least. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again with some new video, a new place. Till then, have a good day. Jai Shri Ram.
ध्यान से देखिए राम घाट को। यहीं राम और सीता और लक्ष्मण सहित भगवान श्री राम ने इसी मंदिर में, यहाँ पे इसी घाट पर अपने कार्यकाल के, चित्रकूट के कार्यकाल के, वनवास के कार्यकाल के 11 वर्षों, जी हाँ भाइयों बहनों, 11 वर्षों को 11 वर्ष श्री राम इस घाट पर स्नान किया करते थे और चित्रकूट में अपना सबसे ज्यादा समय व्यतीत किया। और वो देखिएगा वो जो ब्रिज आप देख रहे हैं, वो ब्रिज जो है, वो ब्रिज मध्य प्रदेश और उत्तर प्रदेश की सीमा को जोड़ता है। मध्य प्रदेश और उत्तर प्रदेश की सीमा में स्थित चित्रकूट पर मैं जहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ, वहाँ पे आप देख रहे होंगे तुलसीदास जी की एक प्रतिमा, जो बड़ी भव्य प्रतिमा है। और ध्यान से देखिए।